Hi there, I'm Stephanie and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up your Zenfolio account to start accepting payments. To do this, you'll need to set your account selling currency and connect your account to Stripe so that you can get paid. Zenfolio uses Stripe as a nationally acclaimed payment processor to accept payments for the orders that are placed through your account. Payments made for orders sold through Zenfolio will be delivered within 3 to 5 business days to the bank account or debit card associated with your Stripe account. There is a service fee of 9.9% plus 99 cents per order. You can pass the 99-cent portion on to your clients if you choose, and we'll talk more about that later. So, from your dashboard, if you click on the selling icon, choose the settings tab, and when you scroll, you'll see currency. Mine is currently set to USD. If you need to set yours differently, you can do so here. Once you've made the change, just be sure to click Save. Then you'll be directed to complete your Stripe sign up in order to connect it to your Zenfolio account. Follow the sign up process through Stripe and be sure to confirm your Stripe account. You'll not be able to begin selling through your Zenfolio account until all of that information has been processed through Stripe and confirmed. Also, from the selling settings page, you can set a payment processor name. This is going to be the name that appears on your client's bank statement when they see that their purchases. Also, from the selling settings page, you can change the payment processing name here. This is going to be the name that appears on your client's bank statement for their purchases. If you wish to pass on the 99-cent order fee to your customers at checkout, you can do so here. You can choose for it to apply to all orders or only orders below a certain specified amount. I do hope this information is helpful, but if you have any further questions for us, as always, please feel free to reach out.